Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today, I want to share with you on how to start web development from very basic to advanced level. Please support my channel by commenting, like, subscribe and share to your colleagues and friends by clicking the button down below. Let's start our tutorial by creating a new project folder on your desktop. I will give it a name as my project. Now, let's open the folder by double-clicking it. Click the View menu, then make sure that the file name extensions is checked. Then, let's create our first HTML file. File name can be anything, but file extension must be HTML. Just select Yes for this warning. Now just double-click this HTML file to open in browser. And open this file in Notepad for editing. You also can open it using any code editor that you like. Next, let's arrange the editor and browser side by side. By doing this, you can fasten the web development. Web is just a combination of text, thus you can type anything to show in browser. Next, save this file from File menu, or simply use Ctrl+S. Then reload your browser. Congratulations! You just created a website on your own. Please take note that browser don't care lines, multiple spaces or tabs. As you can see here that second line are ignored by HTML. Let's see more example. As you can see, all text are treated as single line in browser. But don't worry, we will learn more the correct way on how to instruct browser to show proper lines and spacing. Let's clear the HTML content and start again. To instruct browser, we need to write suitable HTML tag. In this case, BR is for new line. HTML tag must inside the less than and greater than symbol. HTML don't care about capital or small letter case. It will work either way. To create multiple spacing, we need to put non-breaking space. Only this time, we don't threat it as a tag, which is combination of ampersand, n, b, s, p and semicolon. You also can combine multiple non-breaking space to write more spacing. Let's clear the HTML content and start again. Developing a proper website requires us to write proper HTML structure, such as header and body. The header will contains all metadata about the web. We will learn this later. What we learned so far must be put inside the body. This is the basic structure for HTML. From now on, we will write our HTML content inside the body tag. Now, let's learn on how to create paragraph. We will use p tag for this purpose. Next, we will learn on how to add styling to any HTML tag. In this example, we are applying style to add red color to p tag. Another common thing in HTML is bold, italic and underline tag. For bold, it will be represent in tag B, I for italic, and underline will be U. See this example on how to use it properly. Next, you can combine bold, italic and underline respectively by putting around those tags in correct position. One tag can be overlapping to each other to produce combination effect. Let's see more example. As you can see, that bold are inside italic, while bold and italic are inside underline. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Hope you enjoy and learned. Please like, subscribe and comment on below to support this channel. See our next video for more tutorial.